Be fast.
Dismount.
Yeah, hold it.
Check.
No.
We're still far. Mount.
Very beautiful.
They aging up to you from north.
Come back. Move southeast. We play counter, okay? Move southeast. Let the rest roll guy. Napakin third guy.
THANK TY मात्र गर्नु THANK
Walk in. Look northwest, ha. It's Albion after 6, ha.
YOU ठाउँ छोडेर
Just hold for the meantime. Come back, southwest. Oh, there's another blue shot. Walk northwest.
छोड्नु नि
Northwest,
YOU
3, 2, 1. Northwest.
Big.
Hit it.
They're getting here also. They're getting here.
Come back, southeast. Defensive on the break. Defensive on the bridge, ha.
Nice stop.
Good.
I stop it.
Keep in there. Ready to look northeast.
Your time list. Stop standing on the chow.
Come southeast, guys. Position southeast. Don't worry about it. Guys, position southeast, guys.
Southeast,
Guys. If you position there and if you get engaged on 2, where are you going? You're gonna get cut off with our group. Stay southeast. Is there anything on the northwest? Nothing, right?
No.
I'm not gonna push.
Red blob.
They're engaging, ha. They're looking. Don't worry about it. That's fake. Don't worry about it. Okay, that is fake as well. That is fake. Yo. Can we shallow look over the wall? Shallow only, ha. Drop the damage, ha. In 3, 2, 1, shallow only. Nothing. Okay, they're walking in. Pop defensive, ha. Ready defensive.
Nice stop. Have the guys in front, please. Come northwest. Move northwest. Defensive. Everybody. Nice.
Nice, good counter. Come west. Come west.
Every die.
Come west, guys. West.
Just stay west. Not
Stay
into
west
push.
now. There's someone talking on the southwest. Don't worry about it.
Every
When I told you
day.
guys to move west now. Don't worry about it. Don't fucking panic. Just chill. Yo, depth tanks on my bridge, Up.
Take it.
Yo, push deep. Walk in.
I get them.
2, 1. Southeast. Stop. Fucking punish this jump. It's shallow. Nice. Gucci. What's the one depth tank on my
They
side?
getting back.
They're going up.
Yeah, we're gonna get sandwich if we push, ha. We're gonna get sandwich if we push.
Okay,
Careful,
okay.
bump. We're gonna get sandwich if we push, guys. We have another blow on the southeast, ha. I'm worried about that.
I'm watching south.
They mounted up the fuck?
Mounted up, ha. Ready catch, ha. If they try to pass, do not pass, guys. I tell you guys, if you catch them there, some of them are gonna slip away. It's either they deflag within the... Who's the...
The trap here, Carlin.
Still mounted on southwest, ah.
One shot on southwest.
Hey, they're passing. Kill them. They're passing. Kissing W's only. Look. Northwest 3, 2, 1. Northwest. On this scope. You're not gonna escape this shit, man. Come back. Either you deflag and then you guys are dying. You guys are gonna be dead. Kill this. X-Chapo. Catch this guy. Can you catch this guy?
They're deflagging inside, Carlin.
Gucci Halifol. Guy.
Roland, you can walk in northeast.
Yo, ready, ha. I'm walking.
They're deflagging here.
Walk in. Stop them from deflagging.
I stop 3.
Yo. Kill everyone now. Just fucking kill everyone now here. Fuck. Fucking punish everyone here.
The fuck, they're running.
Nice. Okay, send good. Kill everyone here, ha. Punish everyone here, ha. Don't let them escape. Unlucky, you're not gonna be able to escape.
Tier, what the fuck? Tier 9. Ah. Okay, holy guys.
No casualties. Casualty check, part 1, part 2. No casualty?
One,
No casualty.
Only one.
Who's the casualty?
Listen, die.
Eh, wait.
Oh my God,